friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making jerk chicken tacos. For this easy recipe, here's what we need. A pound of chicken breast, olive oil for frying, Jamaican jerk seasoning, mayo, pineapple chunks, fresh lime, lettuce for topping, and tortillas. I'm using corn tortillas. You can also use flour ones if you'd like. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slice chicken into small pieces. So now I sliced the chicken into small pieces, and I'm going to put it in a bowl and season it. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Jamaican jerk seasoning. And half of squeezed lime. So I'm going to cut this lime in half. Squeeze it. And I'm going to mix together the chicken and the seasoning. So now the chicken is coated in seasoning, so you can let it marinate, either marinate on the counter for about 20 minutes, or you can refrigerate it and marinate it for several hours or overnight. The more it marinates, the more flavorful it gets. And meanwhile, I can also mix up the sauce here. So I can add a half a cup of mayo. So here's half a cup of mayo. And I will add 1 tablespoon of the Jamaican jerk seasoning. And squeeze the remaining half a lime. And this is going to be the sauce for the tacos, so just mix until combined. So now I'll let the chicken marinate for a little more and we'll cook it. So now I marinated here for 30 minutes. Now if you're short on time, you don't really have to marinate it. It's just for deeper flavor. You know, it's nice to marinate, but if you're in a rush, you can just toss this seasoning and cook right away. So now I'm going to add a little olive oil to my frying pan. and turn the heat on high, and I'm going to add the chicken. So now let's wait until the pan is heated and the oil is sizzling, and then we'll mix it and turn down the heat. So now the oil is heated and the chicken is sizzling, so I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high, and then let's mix it. And let's cook the jerk chicken, stirring every minute until it's fully cooked. So now the chicken is fully cooked. It took about 6 minutes. Chicken breast cooked very quickly, so I'm going to turn off the heat. So basically just cook it until you're sure it's ready. You can cut the biggest piece and make sure it's cooked on the inside. And now I'm going to assemble the tacos. So here's corn tortillas. So I warmed them in the microwave for 20 seconds just to make them soft and warm. Much tastier that way. And now I'm going to add the chicken. And let's add the toppings. So here's our sauce. Let's add some sauce. And I'm going to add pineapple chunks. They go really well as a topping for jerk chicken. So I drain those pineapple chunks. And finally, let's add some lettuce. Perfect. So here are Jamaican Jerk Chicken Tacos. They look amazing. And now let's try them. They look amazing. I love jerk chicken. Those tacos look awesome and they're so easy to make. Let's try. They're so delicious. Such flavorful, marinated, spicy chicken. So full of flavor. And it goes so well with pineapple and corn tortillas. So good, and the sauce is so delicious. You will love those tacos. This is a perfect, easy dinner. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website. It's melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!